participate in a new research study at NorCal Medical Research in Marin County. We are looking for volunteers 18 years or older to take part in a medically supervised clinical trial to evaluate the efficacy and safety of a new medication that was shown to be effective in
it all the way through.
Yeah, as you should with all.
Spiritual, but not religious. This anti-creed of American culture is as close as it
Midtown area. Traffic on the 10s
and Facebook. We are KNBR 104.5 at 6C, the sports leader.
But now, when you're getting down to the short hairs of the season, you know, you can't have a glaring deficiency.
Senator J.D. Vance of Ohio. He'll be
he's a good expository teacher.
Together, don't make too many big mistakes.
better way to invest in real estate.
Guy, and
After that is what I'm experiencing.
100 points.
Etc. has a newly revamped look with beautiful summer
of the garment. That was a great victory over temptation. And he said, I will not touch the God's anointing. After that, David entered into a period.
Just want a plan you're happy with. You can call right now and get a price.
Sign up for our free daily newsletter to stay one step ahead of what's happening.
The theme of the night, making America safe again.
but he said, as the Lord lives, will not.
It's not that they...
But please do not stay there. Staying in discouragement led David to...